Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can exactly delete your activities in Strava. So, first of all, you have to go and log into your account, and here you will find my activities. Normally, you will have here a lot of activities. So, once you find an activity that you want like to do, so all you need to do next is to simply click here. For example, here for example we'll find sports, etc., and just hover it and delete it. It will show you a button which is going to be right in this corner that says delete. All you need to do next is delete it, and you will find all the files or activities that you have deleted within the last 30 days in this area right here. So it's very simple and very clear. To add any activity, you can find it here and add that. For example, January, you will be adding activity here. In case you had been running, all the activities that you do per day is going to be right here. So all these activities are going to be added automatically to your activities in this area. It will show you how many distance you ran, how many time you have done that, and once this added and calculated, it will be added here with the date and title, which you could be editing whatever you want. Of course, you shouldn't edit the time and distance. You should be clear with yourself. But anyway, once you do that, simply clear it and delete it, and just like that, you will find out in here. You can find all the list of activities, as I said, in this area, and more of it comes with the premium account. But for now, since you only do have this trial account, this doesn't really need to be shown, and it doesn't really impact much of your activity. You can even add activities right here by uploading it, and basically it will be in the activities area. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy it, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.